9 raised to the power of root x equals root 27 raised to the power of x. Find x. Hi there, this is Daily Mathematics, and today we have this very interesting question here to solve. So without wasting much time, solution. So we have this 9 raised to the power of root x then equals root 27 raised to the power of x. Now how do we solve this beautiful question? So from here we can see that 9 is 3 raised to the power of 2, right? 3 raised to the power of 2 raised to the power of root x. And then we can see that when we have root a, according to the laws of exponents, when we have root a, it gives us a raised to the power of 1 over 2, right? So from here, root 27 will give us 27 raised to the power of x, right? Raised to the power of 1 over 2. Right? So from here, what's now the next thing to do? So remember when we have a raised to the power of m raised to the power of n, it will give us a raised to the power of mn. Why? Because we are multiplying the powers together. So from here, when we multiply the powers, we have 3 raised to the power of 2 root x equals, and there we multiply the powers together. So we have 27 raised to the power of x over 2, right? So from here, we also have another thing to do. 27 is also 3 raised to the power of 3. So we have 3 raised to the power of 2 root x equals 27, which is 3 raised to the power of 3 raised to the power of x over 2, right? So from here, we have 3 raised to the power of 2 root x equals, then we multiply the power, we have 3 raised to the power of 3x over 2. Right? So from here we can see when we have a raised to the power of m equals a raised to the power of n. When the bases are the same, according to the laws of exponents, m will equal to n. The powers will equate themselves. So from here we have to equate the powers together. So we have 2 root x equals to 3x over 2. Right? So 2 root x equals 3x over 2. From where we can cross multiply. So we have 3x equals 4 root x. So from here, what are we going to do? We're going to square both sides. So from here, we're going to square both sides, right? So when we square this side, we have 9x squared. And when we square this side, remember, it will cover both this 4 and this. So we will have 4 squared times root x squared. Right? So from here, what do we have here? So from here, we have 9x squared equals 4 squared is 16, and square cancel square root, we have x. Right? So from here, what are we doing? So from here, we have 9x squared. You can bring this one here. This is plus 16x. When it crosses here, it will turn to minus 16x equals 0. And from here, we can see that x is common in 9x squared and 16x. So we can bring x out. And we have 9x. When we bring x out from here, it remains 9x. And when we bring x out from here, it remains 16 equals 0. Alright, so from here, what do we do? From here, we can see x equals 0. So from here, when we have two numbers like this, we equate it to 0. X from here equals 0. And we have 9x minus 16 equals 0. Right? So from here, what are we doing next? So from here, what's the next thing to do? You see 9x equals 0 plus 16, so 9x equals 16. And we divide both side by 9, right? Divide both side by 9, x equals 16 over 9. So we can see two values of x. The first one is x equals 0, and the second one is x equals 16 over 9. So from here, x equals 0 and x equals 16 over 9. Now using the original equation, which is this one, 9 raised to the power of root x equals to root 27 raised to the power of x. So let's check our work. Right, so the question is 9 raised to the power of root x equals root 27 raised to the power of x. Right, so from here, let's check our equation. So from here, when x equals 0, right, we have two values of x here. We have two values of x here. So when x equals 0, we have 9 raised to the power of root 0. That's when x is equals 0. 9 raised to the power of root 0 equals root 27 raised to the power of 0, right? So from here we have 9 raised to the power of 0, which is 0. So we have 9 raised to the power of 0 equals root 27, right? 27 will bring the root here, so we bring the root. 27 raised to the power of 1 over 2 times 0. So 9 raised to the power of 0, which is equals 27. 1 over 2 times 0 is still 0. So 9 raised to the power of 0 is 1, and we have 1. So 9 raised to the power of 0 is 1, 27 raised to the power of 0 is 1. So we can see that it is correct. So while for the second value of x, which is 16 over 9, so from here we have when x equals 16 over 9, right? So what do we have here? So from here we have 9 raised to the power of root 16 over 9 equals root 27 raised to the power of 16 over 9, right? So from here, what are we doing here? So root 16 over 9 is 4 over 3. Root 16 is 4, root 9 is 3, because this root covers the fraction, the whole fraction. So from here, what are we going to do? We can turn 27, and we'll have 1 over 2 times 16 over 9, right? This square root changes to 1 over 2, and it comes to turns to raised to the power, right? So from here we have 9 raised to the power of 4 over 3 equals 2 here 1, 2 here 8. So we have 27 raised to the power of 8 over 9, right? So from here 9 is 3 raised to the power of 2, right, times 4 over 3. And 27 is also 3 raised to the power of 3 times 8 over 9, right? So from here we have 3. 2 times 4 is 8 over 3. And from here 3 here 1, 3 here 3, 3 raised to the power of 8 over 3. So you can also see that these answers are similar. So these are all the two values of x. X equals 0, x equals 16 over 9, which brings us to the end of this interesting question here. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much.